Una well done. Man, I see us see trouble. We park go new house where we relocate go. When we reach that the compound, now so much bird they cry for there. From around 7 in the night, the witch bird will start to dey cry till around that kind 5 o'clock in the morning. We think say na two bird. We try to dey in the night we wake up because they dey disturb. We carry stone dey trace dem, we no go fit. At times the bird dey go hide for back of GP tank. We no go fit use stone for them. The thing call too much. They don't let person sleep. Some people will come our side for night. They'll say, those one not born a bird. How we still kill? No problem. But within ourselves now, we say we declare fasting and prayer for 5 days. Now we fast for 5 days. So middle of the night we go dey pray from 12 to 1. But at the end of the fasting, the bird cease. We no hear any sound of the bird again. At the end of the fasting, now after our compound, the nearest compound, the people, the man there, just begin to confront us to say we no dey let them rest. We dey look for their trouble. Talk. Begin dey keep malice with us. Wetin happen? He no gree talk. Wetin happen? He no gree talk. He go say don talk finish. One day, I will say, this bird, they no dey come again. That is the prayer dey work. May we still continue to dey pray. Now we just go take out every night from 12 to 1. We dey always dey pray. My brother, what we did together. The next compound after our compound, the wife confront and say no dey let her rest. How you no fit talk? How you no fit talk? The husband no go dey. The wife will call and say we dey look for trouble. The husband will use phone call say we dey look for trouble. That if he mean us, we go run for this area. If we see am for road, we go throway face. If we dey greet, I no go answer. Wetin happen? We no gree talk. He don tell us finish. He no know wetin we dey do for night. We think say no know wetin we dey do for night. Wetin he no gree talk. Now he pass our back go tell our landlord say we dey do juju for night. We dey sweep for night. They do juju because we na Christian. They carry us go their mosque go talk. Now they arrange within themselves say they go pursue the other man wey be our neighbor wey be Christian. Because our compound now 4 tenants dey, 2 Christian and 2 Muslim. This man now where they disturb now na another compound. They no over there our compound. Landlord call say make them go beg the man. Wetin we wan go beg her for? Wetin he tell you say we do? We fit do something we no know. We fit offend her we no know. Wetin we don ask her wetin we do? He no fit talk. How we can go beg on wetin we no know? Now we know. Then the policeman wey dey opposite us, now we go meet her, report issue. The policeman call the man, call the landlord. The landlord tell her say he already don increase the house rent to 400,000. Then if we no fit pay, we pack out. The other neighbor say they come out. Only the 2 of us, the 2 Christian people, they did the compound, now increase their house rent. Now the policeman call am now to give the house, and I say the man where they keep malice with us, so go meet her for house. Tell her say we dey do juju for night. The woman, my friend wife, they sweep, carry juju for compound, do everything, do. That one called maybe they fear. Or within themselves, they don't already arrange and say, no, pursue those people. If we dey go church, so they call they look on well, as if another thing. Because the landlord dey first call say one call settle the matter. He no come. When they call am, I call your Saturday, he dey come. So this Saturday now we call know how the one call the judge. So if now the man come be the man where they disturb, now come be which way they compound here, where come with the pray. Say we dey disturb her that day, now we come know. And wetin we call this? Now me to see those sky bird for our compound. One of them dey look as no marry, no born marry. those birds wey will come out na so dem pass 15. Dem pass 15. In the night when you wake up in the morning, all your body don wake, your body dey pain you, you no know wetin happen, you no work, all your body go dey pain you. So if una see those kind birds for una compound, una no take dem play. Una go to prayer middle of the night, una will see if na which bird dem go go. So since they say we no suppose to pray so that those witch bird go comot, we go know. Because when the landlord come, when they tell landlord say na which bird na dey our compound wey no dey let person rest, where we come dey pray for night. So which juju we call the do? We call the report us waka. Report us to all the whole Christian people, all the whole Muslim people, sorry. Wetin we dey face now for this side because we na different religion.